In this video, I'll tell you how to fix the KMODE exception not handled error in Windows. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. Before doing anything else, if you have Gigabyte hardware and use RGB Fusion, try uninstalling it first. This software is one of the most common causes of this blue screen, and removing it has fixed the issue for many users. If that doesn't help or you don't have RGB Fusion installed, open Settings, go to System, then Recovery, and click Restart Now under Advanced Startup. After the reboot, you'll see a blue screen with several options. Select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and choose Startup Repair. Windows will automatically check your system and try to repair any startup-related issues. If Startup Repair can't fix the problem, go back to Advanced Options, open Troubleshoot again, then Advanced Options, select Startup Settings, and click Restart. Once you're back in Windows, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Run the first command shown on screen to scan and repair damaged Windows system files. When that scan finishes, run the second command shown in the video to repair the Windows image and restore corrupted components if necessary. After both scans are complete, close Command Prompt and open Windows Memory Diagnostic. Choose Restart Now and check for problems to test your RAM for errors, because faulty memory can also trigger this blue screen. If the problem still isn't gone after all of these steps, let me know in the comments. You can also consider using System Restore if the error started appearing recently after installing software, drivers, or Windows updates. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.